What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you all of the camera equipment that I've been using recently. So all of the little edits and the tutorials, all of the vlogs and stuff. I'm about to show you all of the camera stuff that I've been using for that. Okay, so I've had to switch to the GoPro to record this on because I actually only have one decent camera at the moment. So sorry if the quality's a bit bad, but hopefully it should be okay. So let's start off with my camera body. I use a Panasonic GH5. At the moment, I've got the Lumix 12 to 35mm lens on there. The best thing about the GH5 is the stabilization on it. It's actually amazing. I've actually stopped using my gimbal so much just because stabilization on this is so good. It films 180 frames per second in 1080 and 60 frames per second in 4K. So many different settings, and I'm really liking this camera. I'm glad I upgraded from the GH4. So yeah, that's my camera. Let's have a look at the drone. We've got the controller right there. Okay, so this drone is a DJI Mavic Pro. It's not the Platinum version, it's just a standard version, but I definitely won't be upgrading from this anytime soon. I love this drone, it's amazing for traveling. It's so quick to fly, you just kind of pull the propellers out and then you're ready to go. So yeah, I highly recommend this drone for sure. Let's have a look at the lenses. First lens is a Canon 50mm 1.8. I would highly recommend having a prime lens in your camera bag. If you want that cinematic look, then just film on prime lenses because it's going to give you that nice depth of field. Amazing in low light, and any slow motion like sports stuff that I do, especially with the bike filming, I use this lens because it's just super sharp in slow motion. So next lens we have the Tokina 11 to 16mm 2.8. This is a wide angle lens. Also super sharp, and with the Metabones XL speed booster adapter, I can attach it to my Panasonic because this is actually a Canon lens. It's going to give me an extra stop of light, it's going to make it a bit wider. So yeah, just a really good combination if you're using like a GH5 or GH4. What else we have here? We have the Lumix 35 to 100mm lens 2.8. I don't use this too much, but it's actually really good for photos. The autofocus is super quick. So yeah, one thing I like about this is for the zoom range, it's super small and super light. So it's definitely worth keeping in my camera bag for when I want to get those extra long shots. My microphone, this is the Video Micro. It's a great mic. It's amazing in wind because of the furry cover. Again, it's super small. I'm all about kind of having nice light and small camera equipment because I just want to make filming enjoyable really. So yeah, having all of this like really compact equipment just keeps it fun. Okay, last thing in my camera bag is the Xeon Crane 2. Highly recommend this crane. It's super easy to set up. You can connect it to an app on your phone and control all of the settings. It's nice and light, and it's just fun to use. One more thing which I actually got in Australia is this tripod. It's the Velben QHD 4-3D tripod, and I got this to replace the Joby because the Joby was just so pointless in a lot of situations. So I was just like, I'm gonna get a proper tripod, and this is so impressive. Like I saw it in the shop and I just had to get it. Basically, these things extend like super long. So yeah, really happy with this tripod. And yeah, that is all of the camera equipment I've been using recently. I am kind of thinking about going to either a Sony or a Canon to like full frame, but I haven't really made my mind up. I'm happy with all of this stuff, but obviously as videographers and stuff, we always want to buy new equipment. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so as well as giving you guys, like helping you guys out with the editing and all of that stuff, I wanted to start giving some advice on how to grow your own YouTube channel. So in the past year, I've learned a lot about how to grow basically as a YouTuber. And there are so many little techniques that you can use to help yourself grow. And the first one I want to talk about is variety and consistency, because at the end of the day, you need that content on your channel to start growing. And that's like the fundamental base of how you will start to get bigger on YouTube. When I say variety, what I mean by that is uploading different types of videos. I actually had 3 other channels before this, and they didn't really grow, to be honest. I uploaded like a fair few videos, but they just weren't really getting the views and subscribers that I wanted them to get. One was like cinematics, one was like bike stuff, and then the other one, I can't even remember what the other one was. But yeah, one thing I noticed is that I was just uploading the same type of videos. Like I was just uploading either all cinematics or all the same type of videos. And with this channel, I literally do like every type of video. I do vlogs, tutorials, giveaways, unboxings, reviews, like literally all different types of videos within my genre. That I think is a big part of why this channel has been quite successful. And then obviously you have consistency. What I noticed with this channel, when I started uploading like once, twice, sometimes even 3 times a week in the early stages, I just grew so fast. And that is obviously because the more videos you have out there, the more people are going to see them. So that's basically just the start of it. There are like so many other things that goes into having a successful YouTube channel, and I put all of the stuff I've learned over the past year, I put into a little ebook. So if you are wanting to grow your YouTube channel, then I highly recommend you go check that out. It's gonna help you massively. And yeah, there's lots more to come on the channel, so keep watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.